Welcome to FX Street. If you like what we're talking about, you like the content we are producing, head on over to YouTube, to our channel, the FX Street channel, hit the subscribe button. You can follow Akash and I individually on Twitter, Akash at Mangyeko, and myself at Just Analysis One. Taking a look at Sandbox, or Sand, one of the leaders in the metaverse slash gaming token space. I'm expecting Sand to come down at a minimum to the $3 level, and then probably even lower. As the market is a little choppy here, Kash and I were just talking about the seasonality of the market in general, and financial markets. Every day we get closer to Christmas, the markets are going to become increasingly more volatile, more sideways or omnidirectional, and just things are going to dry up quite a bit. But when things do return into their full-blown speculative mode, I think, there's going to be capital rotation. People are going to take profit, basically, which they have been on things like Sandbox, Engine, Mana, Decentraland, Gala. They've had phenomenal runs up, but there's other instruments in the crypto space that are positioned beautifully for their own new bullish expansion phases. And so money's going to come out of these, and they're going to have some pretty steep corrective moves, while the rest of the crypto market starts to see some really nice gains. You'll just see these guys kind of collapse. So I see it coming down to the $3 minimum, but probably even lower into that $2.25 range. That's what I'm seeing for Sand. I just don't see a lot of upside potential here, unless there's a daily close above that $6.15 level. If it returns back above the Kijun Sen, then I might change my mind. But for right now, I still see it facing a lot of downside pressure without really any near-term upside potential. That pretty much sums it up for me on. And look at this, look at the range this guy's traded. It was at 3.5 cents beginning in January. Moved all the way up to $8.30. I mean, this is
online crypto, people. Online crypto.
Yeah, only in crypto. So this is, and there's gonna be a lot of people who bought between $2.50 and $3. I mean, the lower this goes, the quicker it's going to travel lower, faster. That was kind of redundant, but I think you know what I meant. Anyways, I'm going to pass it off to you, Josh.
Thank you. So again, not a lot happening for these altcoins. I'm going to keep this one a short. So the last time, I'm not sure if I discussed this particular scenario here, but I think I did it in one of my articles where I saw this triple tap setup that form here, and there was a good trade that could have been taken here, where price came down here, swept the lows at 4.76, collected liquidity, and back when it was around here, I'd expected Sand to break this consolidation phase here, go higher at 5.62, and then collect liquidity resting above these equal highs formed here, is what I was expecting. But so far, things have not worked out for Sand, and it's formed a lower high again. But I still believe there is a chance for it to go higher, and it all depends upon how it reacts around this 4.76 level here. If this level holds, it's kind of around this buy zone that I usually point out, which is not exactly coincides with the 62 retracement level here at 4.77. So if that level holds, then I'm expecting it to bounce higher, then give this uptrend another try where it goes above 5.64 resistance level, right? I'm also seeing this sort of stuff play out here, a double bottom where it does this and then goes higher, collects liquidity up here, and then comes down to collect liquidity down here. So this kind of choppy price action is what I'm looking at for Sand. So that's pretty much it. That sums up what I have for Sand. But this is a very bullish scenario. In the bearish scenario, if instead of forming a double bottom here and we see a lower low, then I believe this continuation is going to take Sand down to 3.88. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cool. Well, thank you everyone for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.